This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open the Wacky Wizards map and find the Smoothie Quest NPC near the fruit stand. Speak to the NPC to accept the task and check the recipe panel. The game lists required ingredients and rewards. Collect 3 different fruits: banana, strawberry, and kiwi for the initial recipe, then return to the cauldron location. Bring 1 empty cauldron and 2 coins to start the Smoothie Quest so you can pay small fees and combine items efficiently. Chop the banana, strawberry, and kiwi at the chopping board into 1/4 pieces so they blend evenly and avoid large chunks. Add 200 ml water, 1 cup ice, and 2 sugar cubes for smooth texture and balanced sweetness. Adjust sugar to taste for a 25% sweeter result if needed. Place the chopped fruit into the cauldron and use the blender tool on the cauldron for 12 seconds to fully mix ingredients into a proper smoothie base. Pour the blended smoothie into a glass to complete the quest and collect reward tokens that enable further recipes and skins. Turn in the glass to the Smoothie Quest NPC to receive 150 XP and 50 coins, which you can spend on new items or save for rare ingredients. Repeat the quest after a 5-minute cooldown for extra rewards and ingredient variations. Experiment by adding 3.5 ml potion, drops, or chop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.